This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Katie Howlett. This stately brick colonial sits on a 15,000 square foot lot and boasts of 6 bedrooms, 4.5 baths. The spacious and flexible floor plan includes a sprawling formal living room with a wood-burning fireplace, French doors that lead to a private back patio, a tastefully updated kitchen with custom cabinetry, granite counters, double ovens and large breakfast bar, and an open dining room. Tucked in the back of the house is a large den, complete with built-in wet bar, a wood-burning fireplace and built-ins. An optional bedroom or office space with ensuite bath completes the first floor. A frog with half bath offers additional living space. A primary bedroom with ensuite bath and double closets plus 4 spacious bedrooms are on the second level. Bonus areas include a converted 2-car garage, a walk-up attic spanning the width of the home, and an additional attic space.